Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have an AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function for you. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f is defined by f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants. The table gives values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statement is true? So x values are 0 to 4 and the fx values are 8 through 0.5. So this kind of questions, we're going to use the given function and we will substitute their values. f0 is equals to a times b to the power of 0, which is 8. A times 1 is 8, so a is 8. To find the value of b, we will use the second value, f1. So a times b to the power of 1 is equals to 4. So this is 8b is equals to 4. We will divide both sides by 8. So b is 1 over 2. So a is 8. So b is between 0 and 1. So b is between 0 and 1. So the C and D are not the answer for sure. As x values are increasing, the y values are going the opposite way, right? Because these values are decreasing. Because of that, this is a decay function. So the correct answer is choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.